Alright guys, I hadn't done a video in a while. If you're looking to see what was wrong with this, you can click off of it because I don't know. So, reaching out to you guys to see what we can do. Let's go over this. So this pressure relief valve, you can see the pitting in that. So I figured, well, that needs to be replaced, and I was hoping that was the problem the whole time. But put a new one in, basically the exact same model number and everything, and no luck. We're still getting plenty of water coming out, like almost like it's from the hose at the end of the nozzle. But with it running, there's no change at all. So even if I rev it up, it doesn't even try to come out harder. Let's see. And just to recap, we took the manifold off, replaced the cages and all the seals that's in there. Whenever I had this off, I did turn the engine over just to see if those little plunger things, there's 3 of them, just to see if they were moving, because then I was like, if those aren't moving, then maybe somehow it got disconnected, it blew the keyway out or something. But no, it turns and moves and all that good stuff. I don't really know what else. The pump has, it's full with the oil that needs to be in there. I don't understand. So I guess if y'all can come up with something and let me know what else to check, I'll be happy to look into it. Because I even did it without this on it, just in case there was something inside the burner that was messing up. But yeah, there's no extra pressure at all. So any help would be appreciated. All right, y'all comment right. We'll talk to you later. See ya.